the ocean waves, and a surfboard. Yes, I'm going surfing today. Welcome back to Smiles and Moments. This is Sadhna, and I'm going to show you more of the sea and the waves. The day
And dolphins and a blue whale.
the Indian Ocean and a lone fisherman sitting on a stilt and fishing. And look at the colors of the ocean. Look at the amount of blues.
So today we are going to Sri Lanka's southern coast, and it's all about driving along the ocean and one beach, two beach, three beach and beaches. So many beaches, and they're so interesting.
This is me here in Mirissa just because I wanted to be. I had been in Gal yesterday. That's kind of place that makes it feel that time is moving at a different speed. And somewhere between the second cup of coffee and staring at the scene from the port wall, I thought to myself, Mirissa is 45 minutes from here. Why am I not going there? So I got a car and then I'm here.
And having a coffee by the beach is priceless.
No one was waiting for me. There was no occasion. I just felt like it. This is what 60 something looks like when it stops asking for permission. Ouch! So Mirissa is smaller than I expected. More relaxed. The kind of beach that hasn't decided whether it wants to be discovered or doesn't want to be discovered. But I am so glad that I discovered it. I sat on the beach just because I didn't do nothing much. But this is the luxury of traveling alone, that you could just spend your day at the beach doing nothing.
And ending the day at Mirissa at the Coconut Hill. The next morning, I'm on a boat to somewhere.
There are some mornings that begin quietly before the world fully wakes up. The harbor is slowly starting to come alive. Boats are preparing quietly. Travelers are gathering with sleepy eyes and excited hearts. There's something special about mornings near the ocean. Today's adventure takes us deep into the water of the Sri Lankan southern coast, one of the best places in the world to witness blue waves in their natural habitat. The soft, gentle movement of the waves, the sound of waves against the dock, and the feeling of stepping onto a boat, knowing the day could become unforgettable.
And yes, these are dolphins. in their natural habitat. And from somewhere a lone boat comes on the horizon.
There's a calmness that arrives here. No rush, no endless notifications, just wind and water and dolphins. Hours pass slowly out here on the open sea. Eyes continue searching on the horizon, hoping for a glimpse of something extraordinary between the waves. But today the ocean chooses silence. No dramatic breach, no giant tail rising from the water, and it doesn't feel disappointing because somewhere along this journey, the experience talk about everything about sudden waves, the dream about the stillness of waves, the feeling of being completely disconnected from the noise of everyday life. The stretched salt air, the endless blue of the horizon, the quiet excitement of not knowing what could appear at any moment. It's about allowing the journey itself to become the memory. And nature has a way of reminding us that we are visitors here. We can plan the journey, we can travel across oceans, but moments like these are never fully in our control. And maybe that's what makes the sea so powerful. It teaches patience, humility, presence, and even without a whale sighting, this morning still gave us something valuable. Time to slow down, breathe deeply, and simply exist in the midst of something so vast and so amazing.
I am fascinated by the sea, and more importantly, I am fascinated by boats. I don't know, it's very recent, but I really like boats. Time to head back to the shore now. I told you in the beginning, there are going to be beaches and more beaches. There's so many beaches.
what luxury looks like right on the beach is Antara, and this is a huge big property, and this is luxury. So you have luxury and you have the ocean all in one frame. Walk 5 minutes away is the ocean. Let me show you. There it is. There's something humbling about standing in front of the ocean and realizing today you begin again. I came to Sri Lanka chasing beautiful places. I didn't expect to find a new version of myself. At some point in my life, collecting experiences became more valuable than collecting things. Just salt in the air, warm waves, and the courage to try something new. I'm still trying to get the courage. Oh my god, we are going surfing! Looks so easy, but it's so difficult. I must have fallen into the water. I don't even know how many times. First time in my life, in my 66 years of life, I have taken a surfing lesson. I have not succeeded. I have gone into the water like so many times. But was it worth it? Every drop that I ingested, it was so worth it. And I'm coming back. This was so priceless. It's like the ocean and you and the waves. It's so undescribable. Everybody has to experience it at least once in their lifetime and maybe come back for more. As the sun disappears into the Indian Ocean, Tengale becomes even more magical. Not every destination gives you excitement. Some places give you peace. And that is actually a very strong thing in today's life. And this journey has given me so many different flavors so far. A week ago, I hadn't even heard of Tengale. I hadn't heard of so many places that I have visited. And a week ago, my original plans were falling apart. Routes were changing, ferries were getting cancelled, and nothing was going the way I expected. And somehow, that's what brought me here. There are moments in life you never fully expect to experience, and standing here in Tengale feels like one of them. Coming from busy routines and everyday life, finding myself on a quiet coastline in Sri Lanka feels almost unreal. It's not quiet, the sea is making so much noise, but it's something. Sometimes luxury is not 5-star hotels or perfect views. It's sometimes simply being able to pause, travel and experience a place like this. I never imagined I would be here, listening to the Indian Ocean Walking through paradise and capturing things like these. Himalaya gave me more than beautiful scenery. It gave me stories, conversations, and reminders that the world still feels wonderfully new. This journey reminds me that life can still surprise me. There's a whole world beyond routines, beyond stress, and sometimes you'll find it in places you never planned for. On Sri Lanka's southern coast, the sea doesn't just beat the land, it explodes through it.